Bro, this airplane is very loud, but can't you believe we actually can't you believe that we actually on an airplane? Whatever. Look, this next.
Oh, some milk. Wait, that's liquid. I don't know. Wait,
Doesn't it just make me absorbed? I can only eat food.
doctor said that.
Whatever. I'm just gonna grab that. Oh, get some whatever this is. Potato chips. Oh, pretty cool. Alright, everybody. Food time! What do you want, you losers? Oh. What do you want?
I want a popsicle.
Sorry, but I don't know what the hell that is. What do you want? Do you have french fries? I don't know what that is. What do you want? I want fruit. I don't know what that is. Bro, I can literally see fruit right there, even though I'm at the back seat. What do you want? Wait, you're a dinosaur. Do you want to eat the meat? I would like to have some milk. Alright, Mr. Sponge idiot. Here you go, take the carton. Let me just chug it down you. Hopefully it captures my chug. Oh my god. Oh, what the hell are they doing to SpongeBob? Whatever. Can I have some a pineapple? Yes, thank you. Bro, what the flip was that? One pineapple coming right up to Mr. Starfish. Wait. Can I have another pineapple? I want it to match my glasses. Can I have an egg? Can I have more bags of crisps? I'm running out. Look, see? I only have 3 left. No, I have 0. I'm gonna explode. Oh, food, no! That was the worst explosion ever. I knew you came out of that button right there.
Alrighty, so I hope it's getting dark.
Woof. Bro, what now?
Anyways, yeah, we're close to landing.
Good night. What? You're really gonna do that in front of us, bro? Oh. Whatever.
Just sneak my way.
Let me just sneak my way. Let me just sneak my way.
How are you sleeping? I thought you were sleeping.
Shut up. What do you want to eat? I'll eat the donut.
I'll eat it. Yum.
Yum.
Yum. Yum.
Yum. Yeah. Oh man, why can't I eat this stuff? Yum. Yum. Yum.
Alrighty, we have landed.
Well, we made it! Well, it's not really that interesting. Bye, everyone. See you next episode.